Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read the sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. All nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this regard. And with that said, I will quickly read through the civil justice sign off. As of March 17th of 2021, USA is deadliest human endangerment: Islam, Judaism, Zionism, paganism, Babylon nation, and slavery of Vatican Queen Elizabeth II. And I am Vedapriya Prose, born to free the USA from all evil forces, ongoing forces. Then ongoing civil justice sign off is very crucial for I, Vedapriya Prose, to sign off the job offer now and free USA and all nations now without any delay, as clearly written in the Holy Bible. Whatever in the Holy Bible is happening now, please celebrate Merry Christmas, Festival of True Love, and only wises can celebrate Merry Christmas. As of March 17th of 2021, crime provided is prostitute President Jimmy Carter of USA provided deadliest tax fraud, classified as domestic violence of war crimes of slavery, tax fraud, hatred, tax fraud, and discrimination tax fraud, and also destroyed all 27 amendments of USA, and it is classified as deadliest zero tolerance war crime. I, Vedapriya Prose, proved all presidents of USA are slaves immigrants to Queen Elizabeth II and Pope Francis, and that is why destroyed USA national operations and justice operations with Satan, Antichrist, Queen Elizabeth II, and Pope Francis, Satan's hell creators, created Vatican Code of Law handbook given to USA to destroy USA, and it is deadliest crime to destroy national operations. So Pope Francis, the Satan, destroyed the USA operations, must resign now, and I, Vedapriya Prose, must be Vatican leader now, as in Holy Bible guidelines only. USA must kneel down before 7.9 plus billions of humans, and USA should pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans in next 1 second is civil justice served according to the Holy Bible guidelines only. I, Vedapriya Pro Se, proved the deadliest tax fraud crime of USA. So President Joe Biden should resign now. And I, Vedapriya Pro Se, native Indian tribe, Israelite Christian Jew of tribe of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, must be the interim leader of USA now. Is civil justice served to I am that I am, born to save the world. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.